Do you want to work from home? Wouldn't it be great if you could make money by speaking your local language? You'll be speaking your local language and earn $25 per hour and be able to work from home. This is a great way to make money. This is exactly what this video is all about. But before we start our today's video, I know you're trying to make money online and I want to help you out. So, I am sharing something really special and exclusive to make more than $1,000 each and every day, so make sure you don't miss out on that and make sure you check the first link in the description below. And also sharing some amazing apps to make some money instantly, so check the other links in the description as well. Now, let's jump to the video, and make sure to watch till the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. It's important for people to learn different languages, especially English. It helps them with their career and opens up opportunities for them. An online language teacher does not need to have a degree in education or any specific experience in teaching. All they need is a good understanding of the language and some experience with teaching. Languages tutors can earn anywhere from $15 to $25 an hour depending on their location and experience level. There are a lot of opportunities for people who want to teach their local language online because there is always a need for more people who speak more languages fluently. Today, I will show you one of the best sites where you can teach your local language and earn money. It is called Preply.com. Here you can teach languages such as English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Chinese, Arabic, Japanese, Portuguese, and so much more. Preply students from over 180 countries, and more than 800,000 students globally. To register, click on Become a Tutor. You can simply register by your email, Facebook, or Google account. And you will choose the languages which you like to teach. You will get training webinars and get tips to upgrade your skills. You'll get all the help you need to grow. You can teach anytime, anywhere. Decide when and how many hours you want to teach. No minimum time commitment or fixed schedule. Be your own boss. You can set your own rate. You choose your hourly rate and change it anytime. On average, English tutors charge $15 to $25 per hour. In the end, make sure to check the links in the description below to know how to make more than $1,000 each and every day, and the other apps to make money instantly. And if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, and comment below where you are from, and I will create a specific video for your region.